Let's see how to create and update a monetary benefit plan. From the navigation bar, select Workspaces, and then select Project Workspace. In the Project Workspace, select a project. Select Details tab from the side menu. Navigate to the Monetary Benefit Plans tab. Select New. Enter the name for the new benefit plan. Select the start and end fiscal period. Enter a value in the Entered Benefit field under Financials. Click Save. Now that the benefit plan has been created, let's see how to update it. Modify the entered benefit value. Click Save to update the existing record. Now select Monetary Benefit Plan Breakdowns. Let's modify the actual benefit value. Click Save to update the existing record.